How to fix Facebook screen size. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to fix Facebook screen size. Without further ado, let's begin. Open settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and navigate to display and brightness option. You can easily locate the text size or font. And now using the slider, you can easily adjust it to increase or decrease the size. Once done, tap on apply button. After that, you need to go back and open Facebook application. In order to decrease the screen size, you can easily repeat the process. As you can see that we have successfully increased the screen size. Similarly, let's repeat the same process. And when you go back and open Facebook, you can easily find out that the screen size has been decreased. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.